Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlogs. Hope everyone's doing well. We are back using the iPhone for now. Since I'm starting the vlog at night, my Sony isn't really that good at low light and I don't want to have to be messing with the settings right now. I just need something to just point and shoot and go. We have ya boy over here. Hello. We got Garrett here with the newly installed Garrens from Bumpa. And it's still on here, guys. Could you believe it? But yeah, Garrett and I haven't washed our cars in a while. I've done like 2 canyon runs, one at Angel's Crest and then the other one at Crooks. And I haven't washed it, but car's finally clean, as you guys saw in that little montage in the beginning. Did you guys know that cleaner cars actually run better? Yeah. Oh, car looks great. Freaking love this thing. Also, guys, something very unfortunate happened today. As I was backing out, I accidentally damaged the mirror. Oh my god, it is cracked. When you exit my driveway, we have like these little like pillars that segregate the driveway from the sidewalk, and my parents park a certain way because we don't want to park in front of our neighbor's driveway, and sometimes it's kind of tight for me to get out of, but this time I guess I wasn't really paying attention and I smacked the side of it. I was an idiot. I was just too worried about trying not to hit my car on my dad's truck and then totally forgot it's the side mirror. I might end up just getting this repainted to the factory D4S, so it'll just be the same black as the car. Yeah, I don't know when I'll be doing that. It probably won't be for a while because honestly I could care less. I'll probably just end up slapping a sticker on it for the meantime because I can't be asked to worry about sending that to paint just yet. But car's clean after a while, and we're gonna dial in Garren's car because we have one more thing to install on this thing. Guys, we have one more thing to install on Garren's car, and that piece is right here. We have a top fuel drag wing. Really, really cool. Once Garren finishes cleaning his car, we're gonna go ahead and slap it on there. Along with that, we're gonna end up raising his seat because this fool sits super fucking low. And I'm pretty sure that is one of the reasons why
I fuck up my shit so much.
Exactly, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see through the window, but his eyes are literally right here. That's the headrest. This is where his eyes are pretty much. But hopefully by raising his seat today, it'll help him achieve to keep the bumper a lot longer. Yeah. So yes, he's gonna go ahead and finish up washing his car. And yeah. Garren's poor headlight has cataracts, man. Poor thing. It just has like a leak in it. That's why it has like condensation in the headlight. No, I'm just talking about how your headlights have cataracts, bro. Poor thing.
They're just old.
Yeah, they're just old.
They're hella old. They're like 10 plus years old.
Oh, damn. We got Garren's car in the garage. Cataract. So right now, Garren's seat is obviously really stupid low. But unfortunately, he already has a super low seat rails. So he's not gonna have the cool recline. We're gonna put it up here. I don't care what he says.
It's all good.
Okay, we're gonna put it up here. He'll have better vision, so when he drives, he won't have to worry so much. So we're gonna go ahead and raise this seat up just so he has visibility when he drives, so he doesn't fuck up his bumper. Fucking ordeal. I literally did not film it. Did not go as planned. Thank you. Yeah, it took so long, but we did fix it. You could tell how much higher it is, but I know it's not symmetrical. I don't give a flying fuck because Garren needs to see when he drives. Everyone needs to see when they drive. What we did was we lowered it, or we raised it actually from the lower mount to the top. I know there's scuffs. It's all good. Yeah, but it's a lot higher now. Garren should be able to see a lot better. Literally, it used to be this low, and now it's this much higher. So, fuck that. We're never doing that again. Everything was just really cramped, and instead of it being like a hex, they're all Phillips screws. So it was just really hard to angle everything. The seatbelt buckle got in the way, and then we couldn't align the bolt to match with the mount, and it was just, whatever. Just there's a whole bunch of ass, whole bunch of it. But this is the last part.
This should be super easy, I hope.
It should be. But Garren already went ahead and put 3M tape on this bitch on all the right places, so just goes on here. No drilling necessary.
Yay.
Everyone take one final look of the barrelless trunk, boneless trunk. I just prepped it, rubbed some alcohol on it so that the 3M tape could bite, and we should be all good. I still fucking hate that seat, man. It took so long. I'm so tired. Let's just fucking do it.
Yeah, honestly.
Let's just slap it on.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and remove the tape on that side. I'll remove it on this side.
Swag. I'm liking this.
No plan, just straight go.
Yeah, man. Oh, I see.
All right, go on that side and apply pressure. This thing doesn't fucking fly off, man. Guys, this is the final product. What do y'all think? I think this literally fits perfect with the whole theme of the car, man.
JDM, Import Magazine.
All of the buzzwords,
bro.
bro. Yeah, dude, this, guys, I don't know. Does it get better than this? I literally could have had this wing.
Thank you for the... He added me. He was like,
Yeah.
I can't run it. You want to buy it? And I was like, yeah, I'll buy this shit right now.
Because mine has like separate trunk like spoilers here from OEM, and they drilled into the fucking body. So if I had this, I'd have exposed holes here and on the trunk. So I was like, fuck it. At least Garren could have it, and then maybe I'll buy it off of him in the future.
Yeah.
But guys,
That's how it is.
no, literally. What do y'all think, guys? This thing looks literally so good. Car's looking great,
so
bro.
much, honestly. Like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel at Andre Pawawa.
What the fuck? Everyone drop a comment. Tell Garren to drive safe, be smart, don't fuck up the car.
I'll look at your comments when I'm eating. Don't worry.
Yes.
That's always like that.
But yeah, this is fire. Like, I'm really looking at this angle.
Damn.
What the fuck? Look at that shit. You serious? Yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next segment. See ya.
Bye bye.
Look at that shit, man.
Oh, damn. Damn, that was crazy.
Dude, that side profile is crazy, bro. Hey, man, I'm so jealous. I wish this was my car. This is sick, man. Hello, everyone. For this segment, we're gonna be trying Singaporean snacks from our friend here. Say hi, Vic.
Hi, my name is Vic Nash, and I'm from Singapore.
He's from Singapore. We're currently at Denny's right now, but
I'm from Vic Nash.
and I'm from Singapore. We're currently at Denny's right now because we just wanted to get some lunch, and luckily Vic brought us some snacks from his home motherland, so we're all gonna try it.
So the first thing though that we already did try off camera was this.
There it is.
It's pretty much like this pandan jelly.
Yam?
Yeah,
Jelly?
it's really good. So apparently this is like just a travel size because he got it for us as a gift. They usually sell like the big like Nutella jars over there, but it's full of this. It's pretty good. It has a really cool consistency too.
Yeah, you eat it with bread. It's pretty fire. I could get down with that.
Well, actually, I would give this one. I would actually give like a 9 out of 10
Damn. Actually,
because it's not so sweet.
Yeah,
I can eat a lot of it.
It's already open, but we didn't try it because I was like, you know, might as well film this. We're trying this snack called Tam Tam. Look at this thing. Very yummers. And look inside. If you look at the Tam Tam, it looks like a tamale.
Dude, I could munch on this for like a while. Do they have still big bags of this?
This tastes like it's like something you'd eat when you drink beer. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's like something to snack on.
Yeah, like they put it in a little bowl and then you just kind of.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. I like it. All right, time to try this next one. What is it called?
Or Mimi. This one's Mimi, and it looks like a tteokbokki, like roast tteokbokki. Look.
Smell test.
Smell test?
Oh, it kind of
What's
smells.
it
It kind of smells a little bit like the same. She's like chips.
Smells the same. Yes.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. Mmm.
It does have more. It
tastes
has
like
more
ramen.
flavor than this one.
It tastes like ramen. Actually, let me try the tam again.
The Mimi one I like more.
This is so chill though. Like I feel like I could eat a fuck ton of these and be chill.
This one's calm because it's just like, oh damn, like, it's just cool, but it's just a little odd to hold.
Yeah, they're really small finger snacks.
But this one's like a little like you like put in your, you can eat like M&M's, you know what I'm saying?
No, but genuinely though, you can eat a fuck ton of these. If this tastes like that ramen snack that you could get at like Asian stores, this one, I don't know how to describe it. It's not as a strong flavor, but it's something I could definitely eat for long periods of time. I'm cramping. Ah, I'm cramping.
I don't know how to help you. What the fuck?
But for long periods of time, I definitely could eat this more. It's pretty good. What's he doing?
I'm trying to cut it. That shit not working.
Yo, this shit indestructible, bro.
We're prepping the next snack, and Car's trying to cut it.
It might like old.
I'm gonna go first.
All right, Vic. What? Wait, hold on. We need to ask Vic what this is.
It's just a jelly. It says to be eaten frozen, but I've never tried it frozen. But yeah, it's just a jelly, but shit, orange flavor.
All right, Car. How about it, bro?
Is it good?
Dude, this shit hella good.
Is it really?
I can see how it would be
Frozen. Your turn.
Oh, fuck. Okay. It's because I think you cut here first.
Pre-cut. It was pre-cut, dude. That's tough, bro.
God damn, that shit like. Pause. That was pretty good, I can't lie.
Yeah.
Say thank you to Vic.
Comment down below if you like Singapore.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you don't like Singapore.
Either way, just comment down below. But yes, thank you, Vic, for letting us try the snacks from his motherland.
It's really good.
Really, really good.
Shouts out to your mom too for bringing it for us. That was really sweet.
His mom actually bought it for us, so yeah.
That was really sweet. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
All right, to the next segment, wherever this takes us. Bye.